Good morning, Minnie and Mommy. Okay, so because I was sick this week, I've been having a little bit of withdrawals, so I'm going to read you this book that I found from one of the little libraries so we can return it after. The Farm. Moo, cow. Sitting amongst the flowers, a calf. Moo. In sticky mud, pig. So soft and pink, piglets. Cluck, cluck, chicken. 3 fluffy chickens. Chicks. Chickity chicks. What a warm woolly coat. Sheep. Where's Mom? A lamb. Quack, quack. Duck. Splish, splash. Ducklings. Quack, 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 quack. Let's play ball. Sheepdog. Too tired. Sweet dreams. Sheepdog puppy. Oh, the puppy. Quack, quack. Duckling. Oink, oink. Piglet. Splish, splash. Bucket. Moo. Cow. Bah. Sheep. Woof, woof. Sheepdogs. Brum, brum. Tractor. Swish, swish. Wheat. Ba, ba. A lamb. Cheep, cheep. A chickie. Cluck, cluck. A hen. Crack. An egg. The end. That one was pretty good, right? Yeah. Let's see if I can find another one. I'll start another video so you don't have to watch the whole thing if you don't want to, and then you can start another video.